Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick cream easy guide. Start by chilling your bowl in beaters, then pour cold heavy cream and add 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar. Whip on medium-high speed until soft peaks form, watching closely to avoid overwhipping. Fold in vanilla or citrus zest for flavor, chill briefly to firm, then serve on fruit, pies, or coffee for a fast, fresh topping. In this video, I will show how to make quick cream easy guide. Use a chilled metal bowl and cold beaters for faster whipping and stronger peaks. Measure sugar and flavorings before starting so you can add them quickly while whipping. Keep an eye on texture. Stop at soft peaks for stability and ease of spreading. If overwhipped, fold in a spoonful of unwhipped cream to restore smoothness, then chill briefly before serving. In this video, I will show how to make quick cream easy guide. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet after a kitchen marathon with darn tough socks for lifetime comfort and durability. They feel like a tiny reward after baking. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more quick guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make quick cream easy guide. Start with plain whipped cream, then gently fold in flavorings like vanilla, citrus zest, or a tablespoon of liqueur for depth. For chocolate, sift in cocoa or melted bittersweet chocolate while folding slowly. To stabilize for longer holds, blend in a small amount of cream cheese or a teaspoon of cornstarch dissolved in cold milk and chill before using on desserts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.